Hello everyone, welcome once again to this online class. In the previous video we discussed about the grid reference, eastings, northings and four-figure grid reference. Those who have not watched, please do watch it, complete video. In this video we should discuss about scale and its uses. So first of all, let us understand what is scale. Scale is a measuring line which shows the relation of the distance between two places on map to their actual distance on the land. So it is a relation between two places on the map and on the actual ground. Or in the textbook there is a definition given over there. A ratio between distance measured on a map and a corresponding distance on the land, connecting the 2 points represented by the same unit. So it is a ratio between the map distance and the actual ground distance, where the map distance will be given and it will be same unit will be taken as the ground distance. So there are two types of scale, and on this basis the maps are being prepared. There is large scale and the small scale. So large scale means a small area is shown with more detail, and in small scale means a large area is shown with the less detail. Let's see what all the things are shown in the large scale and in the small scale map. In the large scale map you can see the more details are shown. A small area with more details. But in small scale a large area is shown with less detail and space. There more details will not be shown because the large area is compressed and shown with the less detail. The second example of this large scale is topographic maps. So topographic maps are the example of large scale maps. And when we see the example of small scale map, atlas maps are the small scale maps. In atlas maps you could see the whole world may be drawn, but it won't give more details. It has less details which is necessary to show on the map. The third point is that details of cities or towns or villages are shown in the large scale map. All details, what all the roads are there, settlements are there, houses are there, permanent huts are there, all will be shown in this large scale map in detail. But in terms of small scale, relief features like mountains, plateaus, plains will be shown with the colors. Then we have the large scale map will be scale, example like 1 centimeter will be 50 meter, or it is of 1 kilometer. That means a small area is again giving us the more detail. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. But in terms of the small scale map, the scale is taken as 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. So in 1 centimeter, the 100 kilometers of the actual ground will be taken, then the more details cannot be shown. The more details cannot be shown. So basically there are three types. These are verbal scale or a statement, numerical fraction, or it is also known as representative fraction, or it is in short it is known as RF, and graphic scale or linear scale. So I hope this large scale and small scale is clear. In large scale, the geographical features of a small area is shown in detail. But in small scale map, only the important features of large area is shown, means in less detail. So let's discuss about these three types of scale. Definition is same, but when you are asked to write about each of these types of scale, then there varies some keywords are there to write it out. You can see the verbal scale, or it is expressed with a statement. First one is that the verbal scale, or it is a statement. It is expressed in words. In topographical map, all these three types of maps, all these three types of scales are given. Like in verbal scale also will be given, as well as RF is given, and graphic scale or linear scale also is shown on the topographical map below the topo sheet. You can see that in verbal scale or statement, it is expressed in words. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer. In words or in a statement, it is written on the map. This is not very popular because it does not give accurate measurement. So it is not that much popular, but it is type of scale which is expressed in words. Next one is numerical fraction, or it is known as a representative fraction. In short, it is known as RF. So these type of scale that is shown on the map is worldwide accepted unit measurement. So in all the countries or any countries that is being accepted, and worldwide it is used. For example, 1:50,000, that is 1:50,000. That means 1 centimeter on the map will be having 50,000 centimeter on the ground. So that is the ratio of this RF. That means the representative fraction is equal to distance on map divided by distance on the ground. So 1:50,000, that means 1 centimeter will be having 50,000 centimeter on the ground. 1 centimeter on the map, 50,000 centimeter on the ground. On that basis, this unit is shown on the map. Next one is that it is graphic scale or linear scale. You can see graphic scale or linear scale means it is mainly on your topo sheet it will be written as 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. This is in statement, and this will be drawn likewise. That means it is accurate distance can be taken from this linear scale or graphic scale. So suppose it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is like 2 centimeter each block or each boxes that is divided is having 1 kilometer. That is exactly or accurately it is divided. So 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So this is 2 centimeter having 1 kilometer, is having 2 kilometer, is having 3 kilometer, then it is having 4 kilometers. So exactly it is showing the accurate distance. This side, the subdivision of this side is again divided, and this is divided into 10 units, which is showing that this is 1 kilometer. That means 1000 meter. 2 centimeters is equal to 1000 meter. In that sense, it is shown. So this were about the types of the scale. So remember that the definition will be remaining same, but it is expressed in different ways. The first one is with a statement, second one is with RF, and the last one is with graphic scale or linear scale. Thank you for watching this video so patiently. I hope you have understood something about the types of scale and about uses of scale. Any queries, any doubt is there, please do ask in WhatsApp. And remember the definition of scale and learn about the types of scale. God bless you. I remain.